Hi,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Anmol Thakur.
In which class do you read?
I am class. Do you read ninth? Next.
Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Divya English Speaking Academy. So in this video, we just wanna have the conversation practice, boys versus girls, or else we can say girls versus boys. That means these girls will ask some question to boys and boys will answer their questions, and boys may also ask some questions to them and then these girls will answer their questions. Without taking much time, let's get started. Are you excited?
Hello, Rishi.
Hello Disha.
What is your hobbies?
My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books.
Why do you like reading books?
I like the reading books because it is the hobby.
Okay. Do you like swimming also?
Yes, I like the swimming most
Okay. Why do you like swimming most?
because I like to swim in water the most.
Okay. In your village, you are working in your fields.
Yes, sometimes I work in my field.
Okay. Do you have many cows and buffaloes in your village?
No,
Why?
no, there are no cows and buffaloes because I live in city.
Okay.
Hello. Hi. What is your name?
My name is Deepak Kumar.
Okay. How old are you?
I am 13-year-old.
What is noun?
Noun is the name of person, place, or thing.
Okay. What is where do you live?
I live in Mandi.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is English
Why?
because I like English.
And what is your favorite car?
I have no favorite cow. अच्छा car. अरे भूल ढंग से.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hi.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Anmol Thakur.
In which class do you read?
I am class. Do you read ninth?
Okay. You have any cow?
No,
Why?
because I live in city.
Okay. What's your mother name?
My mother name is Sunita Thakur.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hello.
Hi.
In which class do you read?
I read in ninth class.
Okay. First of all, introduce yourself.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Naman Thakur. I read in ninth class. My school name is SM Senior Secondary School.
Okay. Why do you want to become a doctor?
I want to become a doctor because I want to serve. A country in India. There is a few doctors. That's why I want to become a doctor.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one sister.
What is your father and mother name?
My father's name is Mr. Bhavan Singh and my mother's name is Mrs. Sunita Devi.
Okay. In which class do you read?
I read in ninth class.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books.
Do you like swimming?
No, I don't like swimming
Okay. Why do you not like swimming?
because I don't know how to swim.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, Swani. What are you learning nowadays?
We learned that there is one Robinson Crusoe, and he discover a footprint of man, and he was very afraid to see the footprint of man.
Isha, what are you learning nowadays?
I learning nowadays acids and bases, salts. In this chapter, we learn what is acid, what is bases, and what is acidic, what is basics. Acids. In acids, we learn curds, juice, lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, taste, sour. When we come to academy, we study
math firstly, and second we read math, English, and then last we read EVS.
So, dear viewers, all these students are not coming from the cities and then from very good background of English speaking. So, but still they are practicing how language can be spoken out. Little bit practice in English language can definitely help all the students to improve their English speaking communication skills. So all of them, they have done the good job. So we keep on bringing videos something like this where students get opportunity to speak something about themselves or to ask questions whatever they have in their mind for the conversation practice. To watch videos something like this, how language can be learned, some activities and all, so make sure that you subscribe the channel and hit that notifications bell to be the first one to know when we upload new video. Till that, keep watching, keep supporting our channel. Thanks a lot.